monostable multivibrator. It is called single shot, single swing or one shot multivibrator. Other names are delay multivibrator or multivibrator, multivibrator. One is absolutely stable state and other is quasi-stable state. It goes to the quasi-stable state by an external trigger pulse, but it returns to the stable state condition after a time delay determined by the value of circuit component. 4. It supplies single output pulse of a desired duration for every input pulse. It has one energy storing element over a capacitor. Thank you.